Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix glitches and bugs in the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. So if the ChatGPT app is crashing, freezing, loading slowly, not responding, or showing random errors, then don't worry because this simple method can help you fix all these issues very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down a little and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage and wait a few seconds for all installed apps to load. Now scroll down until you find the ChatGPT app and tap on it. Here you will see an option called Offload app. Go ahead and tap on it. Then confirm it again. Don't worry, this will not delete your chats or account data. It only removes the app files temporarily. Once the app has been offloaded, tap on Reinstall app. Your iPhone will now reinstall the ChatGPT app automatically. After the installation is complete, open the app again and check if the glitches or bugs have been fixed. In most cases, this method works because it refreshes the app files and clears corrupted cache data that may be causing problems. If the issue is still not fixed, then you can also try restarting your iPhone, updating the ChatGPT app from the App Store, making sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, checking your internet connection. So yeah guys, that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT app bugs and glitches on iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone and app troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.